Let's now take a look at the question function. So far, we've looked at running the AI analysis via the search function, where you've started to some degree in knowing the sort of content you want to see. However, you might just want to ask a general question across the full content repository. So let's do that now. You should now be getting familiar with the AI question interface. We're going to ask it, what are the 5 key regenerative agriculture practices farmers can implement to improve soil health? This is going to produce an output, and remember it's searching across the database and not just specific documents. Again, the report is quite high level, but there's some technical information, and as it references back to the source documents, it provides a signpost to further knowledge. Next, I want to introduce the option to extend your research. Clicking this button will present you with 3 options. To ask more questions of the Burley Dodds knowledge base, to extend your research to trusted sites, or to extend your research to the web. Trusted sites are websites that have identified as credible information sources, for example, government websites, respected agricultural websites, etc. It's important to say at this point that if you extend your research to trusted sites, that we can no longer vouch for the outputs. However, we have endeavoured to only point this to the credible resources. And in each example, we also point to the reference source. So let's give it a go. So why have we done this? Simply because there may be some very recent information, perhaps news, that is relevant to a user's question that isn't contained in our publications, which could provide a valuable reference point.